Hey, all you Clovers. So I'm going to go through our walk pattern tool. I'm going to give you like the background to it, how it normally is used, and also some of the fun updates that we've done recently to the tool. So let's jump on in and have some fun while we learn. So walk pattern tool updates. So our walk pattern tool is pretty nifty, right? Like you can select a pattern, and then click on the other line, and then you can walk it, see and make sure that it's all measured. You have that right click to say like add a notch to stationary, walked, or both. You can also right click and like moved walked pattern to intersect so that you can then match everything up together. Lots of fun things with our walk pattern tool. It's all right here, and all you have to do is click once on the pattern that you want to walk, and then click to the pattern that should stay stationary, and then you're just walk it like really quick and easy. And then that right click option will give you all the options of like adding a notch or flipping it or moving moving the pattern. So if you flip it horizontally, then it'll happen like this, right? So like you can mesh it up like that. And again, you can right click. It's the right click that then will allow you to do like a stationary pattern, or if you wanted to do the walked pattern or anything like that. And when you're good, you just hit enter and it automatically moves it back to where it began. So walk pattern 411 information, pretty simple and easy. What's also really nice now is if you've created a Clo Dart, okay, the dart was created using our Clo darts, you can then, it will register that and the walk pattern will adjust to it. So I'll go click here, then click to here, and then it will walk it. So you see how it stayed in the right position because it like took into account that it was a dart, and then you continue to keep walking it. Really nice and easy. You could also right click, add that notch to the walked pattern so that you can see it and everything, and then hit enter and you're all good, right? Now, what you might be asking is, so Phoebe, what happens if I just like add a dart manually? Or like, what do you mean a Clo dart? So a Clo dart is you create a point, and then you select that point using your edit pattern tool, right click, and you can add a dart, right? And then you hit okay, and a dart is added. That will then make it so that this is understandable. Okay. Let's say you are like, yeah, but I do everything myself and like I like to do manual things. Okay. That's your decision. So what that though will make it so that Clo can't recognize it. That's the only downside. So if you make a manual dart like this, right? Then if you try to walk it, Clo will unfortunately not see it as a dart, and it will try to walk the actual pattern instead of just skipping over it like it did with the side. So you see the difference? So this is the manual dart versus the Clo dart. So I would suggest to use Clo darts. What you also might be asking is like, okay, Phoebe, but what if I like made all these darts in another program and then brought the DXF in, and now what do we do? Don't worry. What you can also do is you can select the lines, right click, and you can say edit dart, and then you can hit OK, and then enter, and that will then make it a Clo dart, and then you can walk your pattern. So then I can go like this, and then it will acknowledge it, and then you can walk the pattern really nice and easy. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned some fun facts about the walk pattern tool and also how to deal with the darts. If you have any other questions, the comment section below is your friend. Ask or anything, or like any questions or anything like that. And the Clo 3D designers will get back to you with some great answers. If you want to keep learning more, if you want to keep listening to me, just keep checking out our Clo YouTube channel. So many great videos, so much for you to learn, and I hope you have fun.